Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you a cucumber margarita mocktail recipe. Whether you're the designated driver for the night or just not drinking, this cucumber margarita mocktail is perfect for a night out with friends. Here are all the ingredients you'll need for this simple cocktail. You can easily find non-alcoholic triple sec and non-alcoholic tequila at many places such as Amazon. And now for step 1. So you want to make sure that you peel your cucumber. Once the cucumber is completely peeled, you're going to want to slice the cucumber into small pieces and then throw the cucumber slicers into your shaker. Now you're going to want to use a muddle to extract about 3 to 4 ounces of juice. And now for the second step. For this step, you're going to want to cut up and squeeze your limes. We've already cut up our limes, and then now we're just going to squeeze them. So you need about 4 ounces of lime juice. So we're just going to continue squeezing limes until you have enough. Once you have enough, go ahead and add the lime juice into the shaker. Now for step number 3. Now you'll add 2 ounces of your orange liquor or triple sec. We're using a non-alcoholic orange triple sec. For step number 4, go ahead and add 2 1/4 ounces of simple syrup. Step number 5, add 4 ounces of your favorite non-alcoholic tequila alternative. There are plenty of alternatives out there, such as Clean Code non-alcoholic tequila alternative, Escape Mocktails non-alcoholic tequila alternative, and also the Ritual tequila alternative. On to step number 6. Go ahead and add ice and shake everything for 15 seconds. Here you can make the rim to your liking, whether it be salt, sugar, or tajin. We'll be using a tajin rim. Here you can make the rim to your Use a strainer and serve your delicious cucumber mocktail on the rocks. Lastly, go ahead and add your cucumber garnish and enjoy. Like and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you.